Did you know that there is a platform that just gained more watch time per user than YouTube did? Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you all about that platform and exactly why you should be there with your business. And you might be thinking, oh, I don't know if I have time for that. Don't worry. Stay tuned. I'm going to share with you tips on how to make it happen, even if you feel like you have no time. My name is Anita, and I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. All right, so what's the platform that got more view time? It was TikTok. And I have talked about TikTok on this channel before. I'm going to go ahead and link those videos below. TikTok was introduced as a video platform to replace Musical.ly. And now TikTok has consistently grown month after month, offering videos that are 15, 30 seconds, and then up to 3 minutes, depending on the user. TikTok allows you to incorporate music within your videos, as well as there are a ton of great features of the platform. The great thing about TikTok is there are a lot of trends that go through it. So you get new sounds that are trending, as well as new things you can do in the video. And it gives you just a wonderful opportunity to display content for your business in different ways. Now, sure, you can follow all the trends, but I want to tell you, if you are somebody who doesn't have time to research trends, or you don't quite know how to do all the sounds, don't worry. There are people like me who help business owners with TikTok and provide that information to you. If you're interested in that, feel free to reach out. But if you're somebody who says, you know what, I don't have time to kind of film separately, what you can do is take content just like this video right here and use your video editor to make smaller clips of this video to put it onto TikTok. Now, you want to make sure that when you do that, that you are providing either a 15 or a 30-second clip or up to 3 minutes that is really going to allow people to understand what it is that you do or to provide some sort of value. It is really helpful when you are creating those videos. If you also in the caption create some sort of understanding as to how this little clip relates to the value that your TikTok account provides. TikTok is going to give you a great opportunity to create small micro content that can then link back to your larger content as well. So you can create TikTok videos that are then going to have a call to action to come back to a YouTube video, for instance. That's an awesome way to do it as well. Um, Most of all, for those of you who are thinking, I just don't have any time at all, know that a TikTok video can just be a standard image or a graphic with music behind it or your voice behind it. So for those of you who are afraid of getting on camera, know that that is an option. You're going to see the most benefit by posting consistently on TikTok. So at a minimum once a day, but the true growth happens when you're posting 2 to 4 times a day or more. You also want to be engaging on other channels. So once you post your videos, go and leave genuine comments on people's videos that are consistent with the type of content that you create. And remember, the thing about TikTok is you don't have to just be singularly niched to your content. You really want to go ahead and bring your personality into that platform. That's going to do a lot of great things. Now, if you have questions and you'd like to gain more information on TikTok, I do have a guide to TikTok. You can grab that at the link below. I'm also going to invite you to grab my free guide to 25 ways to repurpose your content. And that's going to help you make the most of your content. I hope you subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned because I got more content coming for you, but I wanted to go ahead and share this update with you for those of you who have not yet taken the plunge to TikTok. Now's the time.